Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. I am here with lesson number 5. Unit number 2, Asma Ilahi. Allah says in Quran, He is Allah, the creator, the innovator, the fashioner. To Him belong the best names. Today we will learn Al-Muhyi, the giver of life, the only one who can bring something to life. He creates from nothing and surrounds all with the right conditions to survive until he decree life to end. Then he recreate life on the day of judgment. The next one is Al-Mumitu, the creator of death, the destroyer, the one who renders the living dead. He who revived the earth after its death shall indeed rise the dead, and he is able to do all the things. Al-Hayyu, the alive, the ever living, the one who has a continuous life with no beginning or end. His life with all his attributes are perfect and there is no end of his existence. He was before all else and shall he remains throughout endless time. Al-Qayyum, the sustainer, the self-subsisting, the one who is established on his own and by whom all the things subsist. He sustains, protects, and oversees. He provides, preserves, watches, and manages all that exists. He needs no food nor drink, for he is the one who feeds but is not fed. He is absolutely free of any need from all the creation. The last name, Al-Wajidu, the finder, unfailing and perceiver. This is the end of today's lesson. Have a nice day.